Picture yourself fresh out of college, first big paycheck landing in your bank account, dreams within reach. You feel unstoppable until life sneaks up with a medical emergency or an accident. Suddenly, those dreams threaten to vanish under a mountain of bills. But what if you could turn that panic into power with one simple financial tool? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether you need life insurance and how to lock in protection before it costs you more. You let a brief pause sink in, then clarify. Life insurance sounds morbid, but it isn't about death. It's about guaranteeing your family's future if you can't be there. Think of it as a safety net you pay into today so your loved ones don't fall tomorrow. To reset attention, you drop a quick aside. No, signing up won't turn you into a Ghostbuster, just a smarter planner. That little joke snaps viewers back and primes them for the deep dive ahead. Act 2, the confrontation. Point 1, term versus whole life. You explain that term life is like renting coverage for a fixed period, simple, affordable protection for 10, 20, or 30 years. While whole life is ownership, permanent coverage plus a cash value account that grows over time. You warn that choosing the wrong option can be like leasing a sports car when you really needed a reliable family SUV. Then you tease the answer to an earlier quiz. Whole life builds cash value, but term often makes more sense for young earners. That little cliffhanger payoff keeps viewers engaged. Point 2, calculating your coverage need. You start with the rule of thumb, 10 times your annual income, then layer in your outstanding student loans, credit card debt, future milestones like a wedding or kids' college, and an emergency buffer. You press the urgency. Every year you wait, your rate climbs, and that's money literally slipping through your fingers. A humorous aside, yes, inflation judges your avocado toast and your insurance premiums equally, resets attention before you move on. Point 3, premium drivers and affordability. You describe how age, health, policy length, and lifestyle habits all factor into cost. You share the excitement of locking in ultra-low rates while you're young and healthy, comparing it to snagging concert tickets before they sell out. You toss in a quick quiz, true or false, one weekend vape session won't touch your rate, and then deliver the surprising reality. That pattern resets focus and lands the lesson. Point 4, myths that can kill your plan. You debunk the most dangerous misconceptions. Employer-provided coverage disappears the moment you change jobs. Belief in invincibility until 40 clashes with real accident stats. The notion that life insurance is unaffordable falls apart when you see term policies start as low as $10 a month. Each myth bust carries a mix of fear and relief. Fear of the risk, relief of knowing the truth. Point 5, timing and urgency. You insist the best time to buy was yesterday, the next best time is today. Life milestones, marriage, buying a home, are natural triggers to lock in coverage. You compare delaying to leaving your phone unplugged all night. Pointless waste. Then you cliffhang. Next, I'll show you how to buy without falling into hidden traps. Don't go anywhere. Act 3, resolution. How to apply and avoid pitfalls. You map out the application process step by step. Compare quotes on aggregator sites. Read every line of the policy to spot exclusions. Prepare for the medical exam by staying hydrated and skipping that extra espresso. You reassure viewers these steps transform knowledge into action. Recap and final push. You recap how understanding policy types, calculating needs, mastering premium factors, busting myths, and acting quickly fit into one clear plan. You lean in with urgency. Every day you delay, you pay more. Every dollar you invest today secures peace of mind tomorrow. Your tone brightens. If you're ready to supercharge your savings next, click here to watch How to Open a High-Yield Savings Account tutorial. Protect your life, then grow your wealth. See you there.